join in this data lake airdrop, what you need to do is just come into my telegram. Inside of this video's description box you will get telegram link, and here is I already put it on for you for joining in this data lake airdrop so easily. Okay, straightforward way. So the thing is need is here, just a couple of link I provided. Explorer URL here is copy this link and paste on your browser where you have MetaMask and you want to connect your wallet here. Okay, just tab on new page and paste into here, and that data lake website will be pop up, and where is every information you will get that you want to join airdrop. Okay, and here is everything has. And first thing first, what we need to do is just connect their testnet token into your MetaMask. Okay, how do you connect it? I will show you, and just keep attention in this section. I would suggest you, because here is the main thing I'm doing about data lake is first you need to have a testnet token into your MetaMask. So what we need to do, click on these three dot options, and here we click on this blockchain and click this verified contacts. Okay, so after clicking on the verified contacts, what you will notice that is scroll here. Okay, and here is you will see that this option. Okay, so never be freak out if it is refresh, and here we click this and data lake. I already connected, therefore it is showing that success and to connect your way. Okay, here is, if you noticed, again I'm showing you that this is success. Okay, I already connected. Okay, before recording this video I connected that testnet token into my MetaMask, and therefore it is showing success. Okay, anyhow, never be freak out about anything. So what you need to do is just connect it and copy your MetaMask address, and here is click this copy this faucet link here. Copy this faucet link and paste it into here. Okay, it's straightforward and nothing complicated. Okay, just paste into here and copy your MetaMask wallet, your testnet token that you added on MetaMask. Just copy that address and paste into here. Okay, so here is simple task, just paste here. Okay, sorry, I have my address MetaMask that I already copied from. So here is this on, and click this I'm a human, and here is a little bit captures you need to complete here, because click on the image that best match the theme of the simple given. Okay, here is non clip escape. Okay, so what they showed is here, I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me. So click on the image that best match the theme of the simple given. Okay, this on table. Okay, so click this next, this on again, click this verify, and click this request funds. Okay, so mainnet balance limit, you need to hold at least 1000 lakh in your wallet to mainnet to use this faucet. 1000 lakh in your wallet on mainnet to use this faucet. So anyhow, I don't know, but what happened, let me see. So okay, if you see here, if I click on the getting faucet link, like request funds, if I click on there, you need to have in your main balance 1000 lakh. Okay, 1000 lakh means $6 amount of lakh you need to have in your wallet. So if you don't find that how to add lakh token into your MetaMask, so come into just Google and search lakh token. Okay, you will find a lot of option on there. So here is in crypto rank, and here is, if you see that it is listed on a couple of exchanger. Okay, so here is, if you want to find their uh, contact address, so I'm showing you how do you do it. Okay, come into Google and click on the lakh token. Okay, so if I do search now, it will be show you where lakh token contact address you will getting. So data lake price today, and click this coin market cap, and that link will bring you inside of the coin market. And here is, you can see that how much lakh you should invest in order to getting their faucet, or you can get faucet from others. Okay, so uh, I'm showing you. Okay, so if you want to get okay, so here is if you want to hold 1000 lakh, just click this their contract address, copy this contract address and paste it into Ethereum network uh, custom URL paste option, and data lake would be added on there. Okay, so if you don't want to do that, because majority of people don't want to do that, because nobody want to play with their real money. Okay, so in order to doing that, what you can do is, I'm putting a link. So here is one of the channel that is biggest, not biggest, here is they doing the same thing. I'm showing you lack. So I'm putting this link into here. Just paste your address here. Okay, they will send you. And what you need to do is just wait here until it is come back into you. So that's it. So if you like, if you want to hold, that is, you don't need to do additional tasks that I showed you. So what you need to do is um, do this way, and after doing that, after maybe let's say you have your faucet. Okay, now come into MetaMask, and here is what you need to do is just send others people your testnet token and see your transaction. Okay, and this is the work here. um, this is the work, just doing transaction. Okay, nothing complicated. It's very simple they did, but one of the thing is critical here is getting faucet. Okay, if you have little bit amount of this testnet token, you can do the task a while m lakh. Okay, so just check over and over again after doing that, like pasting on. Okay, you can find as well their Twitter. Okay, so where you can get a couple of faucet, just based on comment written by, oh, I haven't any faucet, therefore I'm not able to join their airdrop. Definitely they will send you, or you can join their Discord, their Telegram. Okay, I'm showing you how you can do it. Okay, I'm just click the search button and do here search about what is that data lake. Okay, so data, I've already searched on, my phone has hanged. Okay, data lake, so I search on that on Twitter in order finding their page. Okay, so the interesting thing is, what I wanting to do is just getting faucet. Okay, so this is the thing that I wanting to do it. So here is, I got their page, this on, and here is definitely they have their testnet testnet trial. Okay, so find their testnet trial. Okay, this on in the Arbitum fund, so in the Arbitum Twitter page. Anyhow, just see your comment, and if you noticed here that anybody doing anything about this, just see. So what you need to do is the paste your um, wallet here. Okay, in order to get it. So like I haven't faucet to join here, send me, and paste your wallet here, wallet address here, and yeps, replace send if you want to see Yeah, your reply is here. Okay, so this is the task. You can do it. Okay, definitely easy. And see their website. I'm showing you how you can do it through their, go to their link option, and here is couple of link they have: Discord, Telegram. I definitely know because every crypto platform has that. Okay, and very simple, just walk through that those link and paste your wallet there for getting faucet. Okay, everybody is nothing worthwhile, everybody will send you because, okay, here is there has a Telegram. So go to the Telegram. Okay, and paste your wallet there. Okay, in order to getting that, you don't need to waste $6. Okay, okay, so go to the Telegram. I'm showing you casually, I'm doing also everything. There is nothing script, write down step by step. Just I'm doing, like you, just I'm showing. Okay, so go to their channel, or if it is if it is be a group, it would be better. So click on this is join. Yeah, it's group. So please send me post. Okay, paste your address here. Do this mono and send. Okay, and everybody can copy it, and if they have, they will send you. Okay, it's simple as that. Okay, so this is the task, and after getting it, what we need to do is come into here and click the send button. And let's say we have a couple of mlac. Okay, click the send button, and yeah, select your address. I definitely I already put my address on this. Okay, sorry, on this page. Okay, this is the data lake airdrop post. So here is in the comment, I already paste and copy it, and here is paste it. Okay, if you want to send in different address, do it. You don't need to do with my wallet, so I nothing get with it. Okay, just do it and send a couple of lag, because I happen now, and click this next button and do it as much as you can do. Okay, so this is the task. It's straightforward, nothing complicated, and the more you do, the more you'll get. Okay, see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting. So come to my Telegram channels. Inside of this description box, you will get this link. Okay, the channel link.